So last night, some man there Rockforth, but for them, there one bar and one kingfish pull up, and one guy come out in a police uniform, and two other man come out of the car, and I ask them some question as police, and then ask if anybody have anything to declare. So two of the man them say yes. So the man them say, I could see the license. The man them show the license. Then the man them ask for the certificate. Man them show the certificate. So the man them say, present the firearm. So them take the firearm them now and say them a match up. As them done match up, man them is like them transfer and man them say, pussy go up against the wall. And rob the whole of them. Yeah? Man them are not police. But the man them, one of the man them in a police uniform, and the man them rob the man them and take them gun. So, you see this little fuckery with more unmarked car, that is why I'm not a fan of it, you know, brother. Because any man can just pull up and say, oh, them a police and go and be fuckery. Man them lose them gun them just like that. Man them could have lose them life.
Now, the first thing I want to say is thank God that nobody lost their life in this year incident. The second thing I want to say, Jamaica, please, please, please be on the alert, because if this is a new thing and it's a new way for criminals to go around and get licensed firearm and other things, you know, it could have been money, it could have been whatever, and you think that you're complying with the law and you're obeying the police when it's actually criminals. Or who know? Because these people sound like professionals at what they're doing. Because for example, right, they go and say, if you have anything to declare, that sound like some layman jargon, like they know the police talk, and they say to present the certificate. These people know what they might do. And then a little big head bother do this right there. So it's well planned, well orchestrated, and them sit down and meds and say, yes, that's how we are going to do, and we are going to do it, how we do it, and then do it, and it work. You see what I say? From what the vice note said, these men gave up their license firearm with no fight, because they think they were doing the right thing and obeying the law, but it turns out these are some crooks. Now, some question that come to my mind is how they know that these men were licensed firearm holder. Was it just a random thing where them a drive around and ask everybody if they have something to declare? Are they specifically targeted these people and know say, yeah, them money are licensed firearm holder? I don't know. It sounds weird to me, you see what I say? And I don't know if they might run the risk after just a drive around and ask everybody, because I don't know, that might raise suspicion. This was a tricky situation in that instance, because if these men had any kind of suspicion and probably try to, you know, resist, then it would turn in a shootout, and you never know what would happen. But now that you heard this voice note and you know that people are driving around in unmarked cars pretending to be cops and asking if you have anything to declare, please be on the lookout. What I want you to do is get in the comment box and we try to come up with some creative ways where we can really identify if these are police or not. Or what to do if you're in this situation. I'm thinking about some, but that might not be the smartest idea, because I was thinking like take out your phone and start video. But if you take out your phone and start video, they might go ahead and shoot you, or they might want to rob the phone or whatever. You know what I mean? They are criminals. They not know, it's not the police, so them not gonna have no kind of mercy for nothing. So maybe that's a bad idea. But please, if you have any kind of creative idea, any kind of way where you think would help, please leave it in the comment box, and hopefully this is just a one isolated incident and it's not something that the criminals are starting up. You see what I say? And if you haven't liked and follow the page, please like and follow the page for daily updates. Thank you.